Today I'm going to teach you how to do a sun salutations that are mixed with some few yoga poses in the middle. So let's begin. Let's start with your feet together, knees together, thighs together. Tuck your tailbone and place your shoulders back and down. Inhale deeply. On the next inhale, push your hips forward, lift your chest up, and bring your elbows together close. On the exhale, bend your knees, fold forward, relax your head over your knees. Inhaling, straighten both your legs, lift the right leg up, point your toes, and exhale, knee on the mat. Inhaling, lift your torso up, interlace fingers behind your back, and again try to lift your chest up. Exhaling, palms on the mat. Inhaling, lifting your back in, and exhaling your left foot back into the plank. Look at the front of the mat and take 2 deep breaths. 1 and 2. Inhale once again and exhale, knees down and chest between the palms. Inhaling, slide forward like a snake and lift your chest up. Try not to use your hands and bring your elbows together closely. And exhaling, lifting your hips up to the sky and bringing your feet closer to your palms without moving the palms. Only move your feet. Keep your gaze at some place in between your feet. Make sure you relax your head and your shoulders and shift your body weight towards your hips. So you need to really push with your hands and shift your body weight. If your heels are not touching the floor, it might look like that. It's completely fine. Like this or like that. Keep pushing away your palms from the mat. Take 1 more deep breath. Exhale fully. On the next inhale, bring the right foot up. And exhale, right foot forward, left knee down. Flatten your back foot. And again, lift your torso. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Open your chest to the sky, look up. Exhale, palms down. Inhaling, tuck your toes under of the back leg and lift the leg up. And exhaling, join the feet. Bend your knees, fold forward. Relax the head. Inhaling, with straight leg, bring your arms close to your ears and lift yourself up to the sky. Look up. Exhale, palms down. Now we're gonna do the left side. Inhaling, lift your chest up, push your hips forward. Look forward. Exhale. Bend your knees, fold forward. Try to touch your belly on your thighs. Place the palms down, relax the head. Inhaling, looking up. Left leg up, point your toes. And exhaling, left foot and the knee down, flatten your back foot. Inhaling. Lift your torso and palms up this time. Look up. Lift your chest to the sky. Exhaling, palms down. Inhaling, lift the left knee up. And exhaling, right foot back into the plank. Look at the front of the mat. Take 2 deep breaths. 1, 2. Inhale, knees on the mat, chest between the palms, elbows close to the body. And then inhaling, slide forward like a snake. Try not to use too much the power of your palms to push yourself up. Use the power of your core, of your strength of your back. And exhaling, lift your hips up to the sky and bring your feet. Only move your feet, not your palms, towards forward. Relax the head. Relax the shoulders. Look somewhere in between your feet for balance. And push yourself away from the mat. Use the strength of your arms to push away. If your pose looks like that with bent legs, it's completely fine, because with time the legs will start to get straight. 2 more breaths. 1, 2. Inhaling, lift the left leg up. Hold your breath and exhale slowly. Inhale 1 more time. And exhaling, left foot forward, right knee down. Flatten the back foot. Inhale, lift yourself, all your torso and palms up. And exhaling, lift your chest to the sky and look up. Inhale, go back to the center. Exhale, palm on the mat. Tuck your back toes under. Inhale and lift your back leg up. Point your toes. Look forward. And exhale, join the feet. Bend your knees, touch your belly onto your thighs. Relax the head. Inhaling, straighten the legs, straighten your knees. Bring your arms to your ears and lift yourself up. Look up. Exhaling, palms down. So, that was a sun salutation that you could do every morning. Once you get out of bed and do this, and your body will feel it and will respond it in a very nice way. You will feel more relaxed, more centered, and it will be a start for you of something bigger, some good healthy morning routine. I hope you like it. I'm gonna hop into the pool now. Ciao!